SeEdQUAL is an initiative of 1CG, a global partnership that unites international agricultural research organizations.
SeEdQUAL is one of the initiatives of the CGIAR, which looks at addressing challenges in equitable access to seed. So SeEdQUAL seeks to promote and strengthen access to improved varieties that are preferred by end users, or we say by the market, and also varieties that are climate resilient, varieties that also have nutritional value. In addition, SeEdQUAL seeks to also deliver these varieties in such a way that it's also increase the high genetic rate to farmers.
Most smallholder farmers have limited access to quality seed with desired traits. Instead, they often recycle seed and use older varieties that are less resistant to pests and diseases and are more vulnerable to climate-related challenges. For women, youth, or resource-poor farmers, these challenges are compounded by factors including cultural norms and economic disparities.
Under Work Package 6, we look at scaling equitable access to seed by all, but most specifically also ensuring that women, youth, and other vulnerable groups are able to access these improved varieties.
TASAI has joined the SeEdQUAL project under Work Package 6 to conduct a detailed review of existing literature and metrics on equitable access to seed. The findings will form the basis of developing and piloting new metrics to track inclusive access to quality seed.
The effort that we are making here and involving TASAI that has experience working with elements of evaluating or assessing seed access in Africa. So to say, Kenya, Zimbabwe, Uganda, and of course learning also from across the continent, the South-South collaboration from India, to try and learn what exactly happens in India and how we can benchmark and scale in Africa too.
This workshop brought in the different stakeholders in different countries to validate these indicators that will be used to track equitable access to improved seed.
The findings will form the basis of developing and piloting new metrics to track inclusive access to quality seed.